All right, let's take a look at a quick solution. So I'm going to first put down a select, but I'm going to write out the from and the join first, because again, me personally, I like to really understand the data I'm working with before I try to select any columns. So in this case, I'm going to start off with all the different rows from users. And again, you can take this approach or you can solve this problem from either perspective. You can start off with orders and join in users, or start off with users and join in orders. Totally up to you. So I'm going to start off with all the rows from users. I'm then going to join in the orders table on orders.userid equal to users.id. Now, once again, the new line that you see right here, you do not have to put in. It's being put in automatically because of this editor I'm using. Now that I've joined all this data together, I can select just the columns that I care about, which in this case is going to be the first name, the last name, and then the paid status for the order. So I will select first name, last name, and paid. Okay, let's check our solution. And how we doing here? Yep, there we go, finally. So I see all the different first names, last names, and whether or not they paid for their order. Awesome. Well, let's move on and continue in just a minute.